Donation and charity organizations play a vital role in addressing social, humanitarian, developmental challenges in Bangladesh. These organizations are dedicated to making a positive impact on society by providing support, services, and resources to those in need. These organizations strive to make a positive impact by mobilizing resources, providing aid, and supporting various causes such as education, healthcare, poverty alleviation, disaster relief, and more. Cruel, but often true, that sometimes organizations supposed to be of noble cause but commit acts of treachery with the money they have received as donations. Lack of transparency about where these donations have been put to use may arise public suspicion. One such case has led an investigation into the Asia Pacific Children's Fund, a charity based in London that funds an orphanage in Bangladesh. Concerns about mismanagement and lack of transparency regarding expenditure and management of funds have raised suspicions of misconduct by the trustees. Moreover, the social media scandal that grew around the renowned Bangladeshi non-profit organization was mainly due to the lack of transparency between the donors and organization. Vidyananda proudly claimed that their organization is transparent, but the audit report that they provided weren't exactly reliable. Hence the suspicions. So, lack of transparency and accountability makes it challenging to ensure the proper distribution of donations.
A blockchain system, which will replace the traditional charity system, ensuring transparency, accountability, and efficiency in the overall process. Now, what our solution mainly offers? There will be 4 entities: the NGO, the NGO Affairs Bureau, the donors, and the financial authority. The NGO Affairs Bureau is basically the governing body here. For each transaction and dealings, there will be a smart contract between 2 parties. As we know, smart contract is just basically a set of programs which is stored on the blockchain that run on predetermined conditions. Whenever any NGO tries to create an account, at first they need to apply to NGO Affairs Bureau, and they have to submit the required documents, and the Bureau will verify the documents. The donors will have to create their own profile by using their details and NID or passport to register. Each donor will have their own profile where the transaction history will be recorded. When an NGO tries to create an event, they need to submit a request to the NGO Affairs Bureau, and they will go through the details and verify them, and thus the event will be created. The donors can view the valid events and can see the validity reports of the event issued by the governing body and can decide whether he wants to donate or not. If a donor donates to the organization, then the NGO and the donor will have to sign a contract, which is basically a smart contract, and both of them will have a digital copy of it, which is basically a digital ledger, a digital receipt. If any donor wants to file a complaint, like he has some misconception that his money is not being utilized in a proper place, and he can there's an option of filing a complaint.
Now we will discuss about the architecture and the governance. We have 4 major entities: donors, NGOs, NGOs AB, and the financial authority, who will interact through a smart contract, ensuring secure and transparent connections. Donors will have unique IDs created with NID or equivalent identifications, while NGOs register using designated NGO IDs authorized by NGO Affairs Bureau. A decentralized ledger will store information, ensuring efficiency and transparency without a single point of controls. NGOs can create transparent event, and donors can conveniently contribute using various transaction mediums, all logged in a digital ledger for full financial transparency. The system will use Hyperledger Fabric for on-chain activities in a private blockchain setup, storing data on Kaleido Cloud for integrating. Off-chain decentralized data will be stored on IPFS using asymmetric encryption, enhancing privacy. IDs of entities will be used for the encryption process. The goal is to create reliable, accountable ecosystem for positive social impact. In the NGO, any node detecting suspicious activity or potential scams can report them, leading to immediate actions by financial authority or NGO AB, which may include suspending campaigns. The use of digital ledgers allows tracing issue and timestamps, ensuring transparency for all nodes. This blockchain technology adds security and accountability, creating an immutable trail of actions and deterring fraud. This innovative approach fosters confidence and collaborative among stakeholders, assuring their contributors support genuine cause and empowering the NGO to have a greater positive impact on communities. Our charity alert utilizes blockchain technologies with a practical benzoate fault-tolerant system, consensus algorithm. PBFT ensures transparent, decentralized recording of transparency, enhancing trust and accountability. It offers strong security against fraud, guarantees valid donations, and swiftly confirms contributions. increasing donor satisfaction. The system is scalable, accommodating growth in donors and transactions while ensuring tamper-proof records for auditing. PBFT enables efficient governance with decentralized decision-making, promoting inclusivity and fairness. It reduces cost and energy consumption, maximizing resources for beneficiaries. The transparency, security, immutability foster trust among donors, attracting ongoing support overall by leveraging PBFT. Our donation system creates an efficient, transparent, and secure platform for charitable givings. Hyperledger Fabric is a module and extensible blockchain platform allowing organizations to customize components for specific business needs. It supports permissioned network, ensuring authenticated and authorized participants only. Fabric enables private transactions, keeping sensitive data confidential while allowing selective share among parties. The platform offers flexibility in consensus mechanism, scalability through parallel executions, and partitioning of network. Smart contract or chain code can be developed using popular programming languages. Fabric includes identity management, privacy control, and seamless enterprise integration. Overall, it aims to be a secure, flexible, and scalable blockchain framework for tailored decentralized application in enterprise environment.
Now let's have a look how Project Charity Alert will work. This is a donors interface where the donors will give their details and an ID or passport for verification. Now how NGOs are created, verified, and how we are ensuring transparency. This is basically how the NGOs will register themselves. They will submit their F1 form as well as a VAT report to the NGO Affairs Bureau. Let's say ABCD Charity Trust is an NGO organization and they are applying to get themselves registered to our website. Now when the verification will be done, they will have their profile available where they can edit or create details. For example, this is their profile. Now where they can apply to add events. When they apply to add events, they need to prepare their estimated budget form and submit that report to the NGO Affairs Bureau for verification. The NGO Affairs Bureau will have their own separate dashboard. Here they can see all the pending requests, and now let's say they view the request of ABCD Charity Trust. They will see the budget report that was proposed by ABCD Charity Trust. And when the event is verified, the event is visible in their page. Now the event's details are clearly visible and any viewer can watch them. Now let's, for example, Mr. Jamil Karim is a donor and he viewed the event details and want to make a donation. Now Jamil Karim will fill his detail and come to an agreement with ABCD Charity Trust. He will fill his bank details and the details will be verified. Then ABCD Charity Trust will get a notification from Mr. Jamil Karim and they will fill their part of their details and this will get verified.
Our system generates revenue. First, we have event fees from charity organizations. Charity Alert charges fees based on the targeted donation amount for their event. The minimum fee is 300 taka, but larger donations incur higher fees, contributing to revenue generation. Next, we collaborate with government bodies and NGOs in Bangladesh. This is not only enhance our platform's credibility, but also opens opportunities for financial support and wider adoption within the community, driving revenue growth. Moreover, collaborating with reputable charitable organizations further boosts revenue. Integrating them into our blockchain platform improves transparency, builds donor trust, and extends our network of beneficiaries. To engage more donors, we have a proactive donor outreach and engagement program. Through social media events and influential partnerships, we attract diverse donors and encourage their active participation, leading to increased revenue. We also charge service fees for premium features like advanced analytical and personalized reporting. Our competitors. Existing charitable organizations like Jago Foundation, Bragg, and Vidananda Foundation, if they adopt blockchain technology, could become competitors offering similar solutions. We will also face competition from technology startups focused on blockchain. Companies like DeepChain Labs and Intelligent Machine Limited may introduce blockchain-based donation and charity management with innovative features and user-friendly interfaces. Additionally, blockchain-based philanthropy platforms like AidCoin, BitKeep, and Binance Charity post competition with their transparent donation tracking and smart contract-based fund distribution.
I'm Rafi Hassan Chaudhary, the technologist of the team. I leverage my technical expertise to design and implement the solution that power Project Charity Alert.
I'm Rahan Maran Firdaus. I'm the strategist of the team. I aim to create a more robust strategy that maximizes our impact and ensure long-term success.
I am Lamet Asin Arpa, the analyst of the team. I was responsible for conducting thorough analysis, gathering insights, and ensuring our project is grounded in solid research.
I am Savanishra and I was the editor of our team. By pushing the boundaries and challenging conventional norms, I strive to bring fresh perspectives to our project, ensuring that we deliver a solution that truly made a difference and together meeting Minty blockers.